As engineers, we're trained to focus on the technical side of solutions, how to design, optimize, and make it work. But here's the challenge. When we ignore the broader system, especially the parts it interacts with, we often end up with solutions that are not only difficult to implement, but are also extremely costly or unreliable in practice. In EAS 522, we start by shifting that mindset. We introduce a systems thinking perspective where every decision is evaluated in context, stakeholders, constraints, risk, and of course, interdependencies among all the moving parts. Because strong decisions don't happen in isolation. They happen within a system. And when you don't consider all the goals and constraints from the beginning, you may end up making arbitrary decisions. And those decisions eliminate better options downstream. And once you go down the wrong path, your choices become very limited. Well, that's not what we really want in engineering leadership. So we build on that systems foundation by introducing the financial side of decision making. Because in the real world, strong solutions are not just technically sound, they must also make business sense. So now the question becomes, how do you evaluate decisions not just technically, but economically? Through real case studies, you'll learn how to evaluate alternatives using both systems thinking and financial analysis, considering not just what works, but what creates value. And this shift is real. Students tell me this course changes how they think about value, uncertainty, and leadership, helping them move from siloed problem solving to a structured, interdisciplinary decision making. They begin asking better questions. How does this decision impact operations downstream? Or what assumptions are we making and how might they fail? That's the goal of EAS 522, to help you move beyond solving technical problems and start making decisions that drive performance, alignment, and results across the entire system and stakeholders. If you're ready to strengthen how you think, evaluate, and lead decisions in complex and technical environments, EAS 522 is where that transformation happens.